Hey everybody, this is Rafi with levelup.org. Happy to be back with you guys again. If some of you might have seen, I've been sharing some 3D prints that I've been doing, and this one in particular has been going on for the last day or so. But I wanted to tell you guys what it is. So this is the beginning of our PAPR. This is something I've been working on for over a month, but haven't really had time to really make any progress until just recently. But what is a PAPR? A PAPR is a positive air purifying respirator. What does that mean? That means that this, when it's done, will allow a fan to pull fresh air through a filter medium to provide you with filtered air. So that this way, you know, on a hot day, you'll feel positive air pressure even on a cool day. But rather than having to breathe through the filter and using your lungs to pull that air through the filter, it'll just be blowing nice filtered air into your face. So how does this work? Let me show you. This is a low-cost unit with off-the-shelf parts. This is a HEPA filter that I bought at a local hardware store. They're still pretty plentiful. When I went there today, they were still on the shelf. So this is about a $20 filter plus tax. This piece that I printed, you know, 3D printing is inexpensive. So if you have a 3D printer, this probably costs less than, you know, $3 or $4 in material. I'm really excited how this is going to work. So your first thing you do is your filter is going to go on. And let me make sure I've got this lined up correctly. Dun, 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 dun. So my filter is going to snap in. And it's got a good tight seal. You know, as I go through this, I'll probably put an O-ring seal and a couple other things. But right now it's a really nice tight press fit seal. So there's your adapter with your HEPA filter. The blower is a USB powered blower. This blower can run on a small battery pack pretty much all day long. And I have a little USB battery pack in here. I'm going to plug it right in and turn it on. And you can, I don't know if you can hear the fan, but there's a good amount of airflow. So it's pulling the air through the HEPA filter and it's blowing it through right here. So through this project, I'm going to be working on and showing you guys and sharing how it comes together, how well it works. This blower itself, believe it or not, is the same blower that you see on those T-Rex costumes, those blow-up T-Rex costumes. People wear them all day to parties, blah, 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 blah. We've seen them for the last several years all over the place. So these really inexpensive blowers, I bought it on Amazon for probably less than $15. So altogether, this is less than 50 bucks for this unit here, plus whatever battery pack you want to choose. And I don't know if you're like me, but you have a ton of these just lying around because they've just become a thing now. So I'm going to be experimenting with different masks. I just bought an off-the-shelf mask. This is a scuba mask. I'm putting an adapter on. But I'll be sharing all this information with you guys, and I'm really excited about the idea of being able to create a nice, safe, effective, positive air purifying respirator that anybody can make and use. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, please subscribe. Please support us. Levelup.org. We are a nonprofit. We help people make awesome things, and we want you to make awesome things. So until next time, be safe, be kind, stay home. See you later. Bye.